What is predictive inductive reasoning? Have you ever wondered how lawyers make predictions about court outcomes? That's where predictive inductive reasoning comes into play. This method helps draw conclusions about future events based on patterns seen in past or present situations. Unlike deductive reasoning, which guarantees a conclusion if the premises are true, predictive inductive reasoning gives us probable outcomes. In the context of law school and the law school admission test logical reasoning section, this type of reasoning is essential. It involves looking at specific facts, cases, or evidence and making general predictions or inferences. For example, a lawyer might analyze several court decisions that applied a certain legal principle. From this analysis, they can predict how a new, similar case might be decided. The foundation of predictive inductive reasoning is the idea that repeated observations can support a likely conclusion. In legal practice, this means that past rulings, legal precedents, and factual patterns can guide lawyers and judges in anticipating outcomes in new cases. The strength of this reasoning relies on how well the observed patterns support the prediction. You might come across terms like inductive inference, which is the process of drawing a general conclusion from specific observations. Another term is probabilistic reasoning, which means that conclusions are based on likelihood rather than certainty. When preparing for the law school admission test, understanding predictive inductive reasoning is crucial. It helps in analyzing argument structures, spotting patterns in legal reasoning, and making predictions about how courts might rule in hypothetical situations. For instance, if a series of cases shows that courts consistently favor a specific interpretation of a statute, a law student can use predictive inductive reasoning to anticipate that future cases will likely follow that same interpretation. This reasoning is vital for legal analysis because it allows lawyers to make informed arguments about how the law might develop or be applied. It serves as a tool for anticipating outcomes, preparing strategies, and understanding how courts may respond to new facts or arguments. Mastery of predictive inductive reasoning is tested on the law school admission test logical reasoning section, where students must evaluate arguments and predict outcomes based on the information provided. So, the next time you think about how lawyers predict court decisions, remember that predictive inductive reasoning is a key skill that shapes their approach to legal analysis and argumentation.